Adam and everyone. We are from Group 2. We will be presenting our demo for our assignment. Here, our demo will be Netflix. So we are on the first page, which is the login. So here we have the basic text, the login, the icons, the text box for the usernames and password for the users to fill out. On the login button, a register button, and a captcha. So first of all, let's click on the forgot password. So this here, if the user ever to like fail or forgot their password, they can send the system can send an email or a text message to them, allowing them to um, allowing them to reset their password. Go back. Okay. So now we will now go back to register. So here is our register. It takes in the username, email address, and the password. Okay, now we will try to to sign in or log in. So here we will edit one of our profile as an example. So such as the primary or okay, so this one we can change our names, set it if it's to kids because there might be some contents that are not for kids and only for adults, something like that. Okay, we can also change our pictures. We can also edit names. Yeah, then we can now go back. Or now we are going on the edit profile. So on our edit profile here, we can change our names like before. And we can also change the languages. As you can see, the English, there's also other like languages like Spanish or Malay or whatever there is. And also the game handle. This one is a bit different because this is something else basically. So this is a maturity settings. There are also other maturity settings because it's as said earlier, there are different types of series that are like for adults or for kids. So below we have autoplay controls. This is for when watching videos. Go back. Okay. So now we will get into someone else.
I will continue on the home page. So this is the home page. When you first log in into after you choose your profile, you will be greeted with this page. We can see this is the featured video. We have the play and the my list. We also can look at other dramas here or some other suggestions such as continue watching or the top 10 shows. And we can see here we have the overlay to see the preview of the episode where the user can add a series into their list by clicking on this button, or they can also like or dislike of the series. And they have also the overlay which can see the full episode and season of the shows. So if the user add the series into a list, they can go to my list and see the list of the series or movie that they have liked. Okay, so that is for the listing. And also the footer. Okay, so we can also use the searching function to search for titles, people, or genres. And we can also use the tab to see other genres such as TV shows, movies, and some popular other shows. Okay. So we can also go to the kids profile. This is for specified for kids. So this is all rated for kids show that is suitable for kids. Okay, so that's all for this module.
Okay, so moving on, there's also a notification area. So if there is maybe news like a series that you are following, there's new episodes or new movies, or Netflix have new offers and maybe new arrival of movies and series. Um, okay, and that's all for the notification. Can moving on for this also type of genres. You can click genres. There's the various types of genres that you can click to filter the movies. And that is all from the genre part. All right, so here moving on to the help center. So as the name suggests, it's a help center to help you if you have problems with your account. So maybe, and below it gives you the common topics that are sometimes people ask, sometimes about, account and billing, how to, how do you pay, through what type of payment. And then there is the fix a problem issues. So maybe if your account has some bugs, or maybe some of your billing have some bugs, maybe you paid but I didn't register. And then there's also some error codes and problems in watching those settings if you have problem to complain. And then there's also the watching and playing category that focus on the profiles, the features. It focus on TV shows, if movies, if they're not available for some reason, and about parental control. And then the last is just about you just getting started for newer people getting started in Netflix. If they don't know anything, they go at the getting started the section in which it gives some instructions on the overview on how to use Netflix. And then lastly, it provides quick links to some of the common helps things that people need with. And then lastly, it will mention there's a place in which you can contact us by email or by phone number. That is all from the help center module.
Okay, moving on to the playback module. You can see you go to the overlay section, and you can press play button. And as you can see, you have a resume or pause button, and you can also fast forward by 10 seconds, and you can adjust the volume and kanan sikit. Begitu. Can go to the next episode, skip to the next episode, and also you can check the episode from season 1 or till season 5 maybe. Also, you can access to the subtitle or audio. You can change preferred language, and also next you can adjust the playback speed if you wanna. If the show is boring, you can speed up the playback speed. And lastly, you can full screen it here.